Hello, my beautiful children. Today we are going to learn the sound of OW words. What's the sound of O and W? When O and W comes together, it makes two sound. The first sound is ow, ow, ow. And the second sound is just O. Okay, let's see some words, bacha. So, what I am going to write here, the first word O-W-L. Owl, owl, O-W-L, owl, owl. Now next word what we will write here, letter N is there. O-W, now, N-O-W, now. O-W-L, owl, N-O-W, now. Now, C-R, ow. Crown, C-R-O-W-N, crown, C-R-O-W-N beta, crown, ow, ow,